Now today we're going to be discussing this idea of promoting peace through art. It's up on the board in the blue. So promoting peace through art. Now can anyone think of a project that our school did, either individually or together, that you guys did promote peace and goodwill through your artwork this year? Let's see, Reagan. The cranes. Now does anyone know how many cranes that we made all together? Melin.
Over at least 2,100.
Over 2,000, good job. It was actually 3,721 or 22 or something. I just mailed off the 2,000 cranes to Japan, so they're on their way there as we speak. The school that's going to be hanging it up for us is Hiroshima International School. They're actually going to be sending me photos of your guys' cranes in Japan, and so over the summer, if you look on my Moodle page, you guys will probably see the photos posted up there, okay, because they'll give them to me this summer. Now, so we did do over 2,000 cranes, and guess what? We did it in only 9 days. So imagine, we made 3,700 something cranes in 9 days. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So give you guys a nice round of applause. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you guys. It was awesome. You know, and even like the teachers who talked to me, like Mrs. Klaczynski and a few other teachers, they were trying to figure out how to make a crane, and they're like, Ms. Fogle, I don't see how you taught all those kids how to make cranes because I can't even make it. So the adults couldn't even make the cranes. And if you guys made all those cranes, that's great. Now, I want you guys to brainstorm at your table. Think of some ideas that you guys know are symbols of peace. You know, like the peace sign, things like that. Come up with 4 ideas, and I'm going to come back to you guys in about 2 minutes. But talk amongst yourselves, give each other ideas, and brainstorm. You guys can write down the ideas, or you can just draw the idea of what you think a symbol of peace is. Yeah, as long as it's a symbol of you think it's peace.
A heart, a peace sign.
Alrighty, eyes up here. Alright, which group would like to share their ideas first? Now remember, guys, some of your ideas might be the same at different tables, and that is okay. I probably will hear the peace sign a few times, okay? Alright, I'm going to start with Christine. Who would like to tell me your ideas? Alright, let's go ahead, Alyssa.
A peace sign and the hand sign.
Oh, the hand peace sign, okay.
Yeah, and the heart peace sign.
And a heart peace sign. Those are awesome. Alright, let's go to this table over here. Who would like to share?
Adrian.
Alright, Adrian.
A heart, a peace sign, and a flower.
Yeah, I like the turtle one. Now, do you guys remember when we did the Adinkra stamping and stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, so that was from Africa, but they had different symbols of peace also on theirs. Now, last table, what did you come up with?
Peace, love, and happiness.
Peace, love, and happiness. These are awesome. Alright, I'm going to show you guys a really quick video right now on different symbols of peace. Now, just so you guys know, some kids actually made these symbols of peace. Some of them are adult words, some are college students. So it's all varied, the ages. Now, when you guys watch this video, think of the ideas that you guys came up with and see that they're actually in school.
Did you make this video?
Yes, I did make this video for you. Stood out to you that you were like, oh, that's really cool, or oh, that was my idea, or that really just popped out at you? Yes?
Like a peace sign shooting star.
The peace sign shooting star thing. Yes, Melinda?
I really like the American flag.
Yeah.
Peace sign.
Yes, the American flag
cool.
one. I saw that and I was like, that is really cool. Yeah. Alright, so now on the video it said, you guys are going to sketch out 4 ideas for your own peace symbol. Now, with your ideas, think of things that you saw in this video that maybe stood out to you that you're like, wow, that's really cool. I like that idea, but don't steal it. You guys are artists. You know not to steal someone else's idea. Change it around a little bit. some of the ideas you can go with is maybe, you know, you like a peace sign and you like the tie-dye one, but switch it up. You can add angel wings to it. You can add a halo around it. You can add something inside the peace sign, like the earth or something like that. So just change it around. But you need to have 4 different ideas. Don't just stick with, like, let's say if you like this peace sign, don't stick with that peace sign idea for 4 different ideas. You want 4 different ones, okay? Now, think also of color choices. Do you think, let's say something that's all black and brown, would that be very peaceful looking? Okay, because remember, color evokes feeling. So you want something that makes someone, when they look at it, they're like, wow, that's really peaceful. Okay, so think of your color choices. Now, does anyone have questions so far?
Are we gonna color?
Yeah, we are going to color them. You don't have to color your sketch, though. You can just write out the color choices you want to use on your sketch. That's right.
Would you, like, if you wanted to do like the color sign, would you have to do it like
No, you can actually switch the
can do it like rainbow?
Yes, you can do it like rainbow. Now, I'm going to show you guys one more website that I'm going to let you guys look at today. Now, on this website, it's called Global Art Gallery, and it has lots of the pictures that I used, and I have it up on the desktop in the back. So I'm going to call you guys by tables, and you guys can look at this art gallery. There's different ones. There's from 2008, 2006, 2004. There's also a really cool hand gallery that has people shaking hands and stuff. That's also a symbol of peace. Now, if you like something, what you can do is click on it, and it'll enlarge it, and it'll tell you this is done by a middle school student in Lido Beach, New York. So it kind of gives you a background, like what age group did it.